iPhone during one of the biggest summers. Take a look at this. Harrison, as you videotape that, I mean, what are your concerns about the homes of your neighbors, and perhaps most of all, when will these stop?
Yeah, that was the big question is, it just seemed to keep getting worse and worse, and then it kind of hit this point where it just got really violent. And I didn't know when it was going to end, and then it kind of just, it just disappeared after a little bit. We kept shaking for a long time, but the real hard part just kind of suddenly stopped.
To videotape something like that, more or less be caught in your videotape. How hard, and we see the camera shaking, but how hard was you trying to hold it steady?
I was trying really hard to hold it steady, but I could barely stand up. The whole time was shaking so much. It was unreal. I can't describe it. It's just, it felt like someone was just pulling you back and forth, like side to side as hard as they could. I could barely stand up.
It looks like at one point you were standing along the fence, perhaps hanging on to that. What did the neighbors report? Much damage in your neighborhood? You were a significant way away from the earthquake, but still, I mean, we've seen worse damage, I think, even further away than you were.
Yeah, that's true. I had it pretty lucky in my neighborhood. Like you saw in the video, and a lot of those houses and cars that were underneath those roofs, so a lot of car damage. I don't think anybody was injured, but it's a very scary situation in general.
Just finally, you've been through all of this. I got to tell you, out on Twitter, there's a lot of people around the world that are praying for the people of Japan and the best for them. Worry about the people figure out in other areas.
Yeah, I don't worry about it. I've been glued to the news this whole time, and I just think it's sad that keeps seeing with that whole virus and the number of missing people lives, and
All right. I want to thank our reporters there, and I don't have his name here in front of me anymore, Harrison Payton. Thank you for being with us.
Hello.